Oh my God, yo. So I didn't want to stay up, right? I was literally asleep on the bed and I remembered that the almost dropped. I'm sorry, I'm about to cry. This is really emotional for me. Three, come on. Boom. Boom. Bro, it's been so long since I had to do this. You're lying. Come on, baby. Please, bro. 12 minutes? There's no way. I was quick on that. I'll be so upset if I can't hit. Bro, they're doing me so dirty, bro. There's no way. I thought I did that kind of fast, to be honest. Somebody said it crashed on them because they went so fast. That's tough. This might be why I don't buy no more, to be honest. This is low-key hurting. He said they opened 20 seconds early. Of course they did. Somebody said they got 2. You hate to see it, bro. You really do. There's genuine. No. Yo. Imagine they play me. I'm not even excited. I already know how this goes.
A few minutes later.
No! No! Yo! All my court in the building! Yo! I'm good. I'm chilling. I don't want to hear a thing. I don't want to hear a thing, bro. Oh my God, I got the shoe I wanted. Yo, hold on. I got him. Yo, I gotta record my face. I'm literally like tearing up. Oh my God, yo. So I didn't want to stay up, right? I was literally asleep on the bed and I remembered that the almost dropped. I'm sorry, I'm about to cry. This is really emotional for me. But I hit. I actually hit. Oh my God, I had a 13-minute wait. I joined the queue late and everything, you guys. I'm making a YouTube video for y'all. I can't believe this. This is wild. I think this means I need to start my YouTube again. Oh my God, I really wanted these though. I really wanted these, bro. And I thought I wasn't going to be able to get them. Oh my God, I don't even care about resale. I'm not even trying to resell. I want these for personal. And now I need to get the lost and founds and I'm good. I'm good.
All right, y'all. Thank you for watching the video until the end. It's been a minute since it's been a minute. We ain't seen each other in a minute, but I want you to know one very important thing. We copped the shoes. Team A Ma. We got the 3s too. Team A Ma. But look though. We're on our way to the top, man. We're on our way. We're grinding in 2022. I just worked out trying to get my game. Nah, I ain't gonna flex it. I didn't flex, but I will. Workout videos coming, lifestyle video coming, sneaker videos coming, clothing videos coming, live streams coming, and the most important thing that's coming, story times, y'all. Story times. So I'll see y'all on the next video.